Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Audi A3 sun visor clip. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver, a new sun visor clip specifically for your Audi A3, and optionally, a plastic trim removal tool. Having the right tools makes the job much easier and helps prevent any damage to your car's interior. Ensure your new clip matches the original for a perfect fit and function. Now, let's remove the old, broken clip. Using your small flathead screwdriver, gently pry open the cover of the old clip. Be careful not to scratch the surrounding headliner. Once the cover is off, you'll see a single screw. Unscrew this completely. After the screw is removed, the entire clip assembly should pull straight out from the headliner with minimal effort. Set the old clip aside. With the old clip removed, it's time to install your new one. Take the new sun visor clip and align it carefully with the mounting hole in the headliner. Push the clip firmly into place, ensuring it sits flush against the ceiling. Once aligned, insert the screw you removed earlier and tighten it securely. Do not over-tighten, as this could strip the plastic or damage the new clip. Test its stability. Finally, let's perform a quick check. Insert your sun visor into the new clip and ensure it clicks securely into place. Try moving the visor to different positions to confirm it holds firmly and doesn't sag. This simple replacement can be done in under 10 minutes. Enjoy your fully functional sun visor again, making your drives more comfortable and safe. Great job completing this repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.